So as you guys see, the show has all different toppings. I'm ready for my next guest, and you guys are ready to bring fun, make people happier. We have the awesome Dr. Scott here. Dr. Scott, where are you sitting? You look like you're in a dental office. Am I correct?
You are correct. I'm at my office in Paris, Texas.
I was just in my own dental office, one of our locations. Every back office always has I see a sample of something behind you, right? Dentists always have some sort of free thing they've given us. So you're in Paris, Texas. Tell us a little bit about the associate you're looking for, why you're looking for an associate, and how we can help you find one in our Nacho audience.
Oh, awesome. So yes, I am looking for just a motivated person, someone that wants to get in and learn all that dentistry has to offer. We have my office is called Paris Children's Dentistry, so we focus on kiddos. We do have older children and some adults here, so if you wanted to do that, it's definitely available to you. We are different in this area because we try to make this a comprehensive practice.
Cool.
So that, we are about an hour to 2 hours from a major like Dallas area. And so we are trying to keep all of our patients from having to make that commute. So everything is available.
And share. I tell my wife, I don't interrupt. I just interject with good ideas. You can use that. I, at times, forget, I live in Philadelphia. I practice in New Jersey. There's multiple specialists, but I also have learned through Dental Nachos that, sometimes it's just not practical for patients to travel, and then they just won't get the thing done. I mean, sometimes my patients don't get it done. I'm like, the endodontist is down the street. I'm like, that's too far. So when you can keep things in office, that's great. I see you guys have a sedation focus. Tell us about your sedation training, and then how if someone does have sedation training, that would be a fit for you.
Right. So I have level 3 sedation. We do bring in anesthesiologists into the office. We also have a doctor that comes in once a month, and he does our wisdom teeth and IV sedations. I personally do oral sedations, and I work with the anesthesiologist to do the general anesthesia. The reason it's so important in this area is exactly what you said. When I first moved here, we had patients that have been coming to this office. This office was open for 10 years prior to me purchasing. And, I'd been in here a year, and those little kiddos have had full mouth dental treatment needs for over 2 or 3 years. And it's just getting worse and worse and worse. And when you sit down and talk to those parents, like, okay, what's going on? What's the problem? And the transportation was the problem. Yeah. And so we brought all of that into our office. And like I said, we do comprehensive dentistry here. We also do ortho. From start to finish, we don't even have an endodontist in our area. So we do endo. I have an associate right now, and she's working on getting trained up so she can start doing implants. Our doctor that does the wisdom teeth also does implants as well. So there's a lot of abilities to grow. It's a very busy practice. It's just if you're wanting to come in, I mentor every one of my doctors. That's one of the things my associate really likes that works with me now is she said, it was the first time that she actually felt very comfortable. Even in between patients, she stops and brings me in if she has a problem.
I love that. I mean, that's I think one of the things I like to share. I've had so many great practice owners on today. It's the theme is the team, right? And with dental,
I like that.
The theme is the team, and dentistry is not easy. And it's so many things nothing goes wrong in my office, Dr. Scott. Nothing goes wrong, but a lot of things go off script, right?
Right. There you go.
Implant kit, is this lab case in? So I think when it doesn't have to be the newest of dentists, but anyways, when you can absorb this with people having your back and being able to say, is this how this implant crown goes in? It just makes your daily dental life and your morale go up when you have friends that you can count on. And people talk about this, and unless it's in your practice group, it doesn't mean other people won't help. It just means they might not see your text till later. People want Dental Nachos and ask a question, which they can do. So I just think it's awesome that you've created this. Tell us just, this person that you're looking for, is it restorative dentistry? Is it restorative dentistry plus other toppings? What are some of the things you'd want them to do?
So definitely restorative dentistry that with a focus on kiddos. I need help. And so my schedule is booked all the way to April already. So someone that loves to work with kids, open to learning how to do stainless steel crowns. I would love to have, a doctor that does have at least level 2 sedation certification. So for oral sedation, just for the small things, we don't want you to, use oral sedation and do a full mouth, but definitely if just to get like 2 or 3 things done, that would be awesome. But if not, that's totally fine too. Just someone really, open to working with kiddos, restorative dentistry, stainless steel crowns.
Awesome. Well, I love what you're sharing here. You can text Paris, Texas job we have on the screen here, but if someone wanted to reach out to you directly, Dr. Scott, how could they do that?
Awesome. So my cell phone number is 903-366-9467. I have a 4-year-old, so he may answer.
Oh,
Um, but the office number is 903-905-4905. So that's that.
awesome. What is your favorite New Year's Eve snack or drink?
Awesome. You know what? I have to go with my Dallas doctor that was on earlier. We believe in, having good luck for the new year. So black eyed peas is always on, and cornbread.
I like that. I like cornbread myself too. Awesome, Dr. Scott. Really appreciate being on here. Thanks so much for sharing. As we know, you can text Paris, text job to 215-543-6454.
Awesome. Thank y'all.
Also, I'm going to wrap up here with my team. Then everyone who's been on, just still stay on. We'll talk behind the scenes. But this is Talking Nachos. If you want to be a guest on Talking Nachos, please reach out to us at dentalnachos.com. If you watch this far, if you're on the show here, you need free CE, you want to learn, just text NEW to 215-543-6454. Buy 1/1/2022, and you're going to get a $202 gift card sent to you. If you're one of the owners on here, take a screenshot of it, send it to your associates. They can get CE on composite, implants, sleep apnea, patient communication, and more. Thanks so much, everyone, for being a part of this.